Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Brush Cleaning Pad is probably one of the most underrated tools in your makeup kit, but trust me, it's a game changer. Keeping your brushes clean is essential for flawless makeup application and healthy skin, but let's be honest, who has time for a deep clean every single day? Today, we're diving into the world of brush cleaning pads, exploring why they're a must-have, and how they can revolutionize your routine. Number 5. STACY Lash 50 ml Lash Shampoo Kit. This Lash shampoo is specially formulated to remove dirt, oils, and makeup. It is perfect for daily care and won't compromise the retention of your lash extensions. Use it to keep your lashes clean and healthy. The kit includes everything you need for a thorough cleanse. It comes with a lash wash, a rinsing bottle, a brush, reusable pads, and spoolies. This ensures a complete cleaning experience for your extensions. This cleanser effectively removes mascara and makeup residue. It is gentle on the sensitive eye area, making it ideal for daily use. The included brush is designed specifically for use with lash extensions. The kit includes soft, reusable makeup remover pads and durable spoolies. These eco-friendly tools provide long-lasting lash care. They are designed to be both effective and environmentally conscious. The Lash water bottle and cleaning brush make cleaning simple and mess-free. This helps extend the life of your lash extensions. Using this kit will keep your lashes looking their best. What we like. This kit offers everything you need for a thorough lash cleaning routine. It includes a lash wash, brush, and reusable pads, ensuring a complete cleanse. If you have lash extensions or simply want to maintain healthy lashes, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The pad is easy to use and clean. It works great for cleaning my makeup brushes. The different textures on the pad help to clean different types of brushes. Number 4. Alyfini Electric Makeup Brush Cleaner. Tired of spending ages cleaning your brushes? This electric cleaner provides an effortless and stress-free experience. Say goodbye to sore hands and hello to clean brushes. The high-speed rotation, combined with cleaning solutions, removes up to 98% of makeup residue. It cleans effectively without damaging your brushes. No assembly or batteries are needed. It features a one-button switch design, making it simple to use. Just plug it in and start cleaning. This cleaner works on various makeup types, from cream to powder. It's compatible with all brush types, ensuring a thorough clean for all your brushes. Cleaning your brushes regularly protects them and your skin. This helps prevent skin problems and keeps your beauty routine hygienic. It is recommended to use it with Alyfini's cleaning solution. What we like. This electric cleaner makes brush cleaning effortless, saving you time and energy. It efficiently removes makeup residue, promoting healthy skin. If you are looking for a quick and effective way to clean your brushes, this will be your best choice. What people say. Tiny little thing but works just as described. It does a fantastic job at cleaning my brushes. The machine is compact and portable, so it doesn't take up much space on my vanity. Number 3. DUcare Solid Brush Cleaner Set. This solid soap naturally cleans and conditions your applicators. It helps restore your brushes and sponges, making them soft and gentle again. Maintain the beauty of your makeup brushes and sponges with this set. It's perfect for travel, keeping your tools clean wherever you go. The formula quickly removes makeup buildup. It deep cleans your makeup brushes and sponges, ensuring they are ready for your next application. Moisten your makeup brush and swirl it gently on the cleaner's surface. Continue until soapy foam lifts away visible impurities. For a more organized cleaning process, we recommend using the soap with the DUcare Bowl Foldable Cleansing Pad. This combination enhances the cleaning experience. What we like. This solid soap cleanser is perfect for travel, ensuring your brushes stay clean on the go. Its effective formula quickly removes makeup buildup. If you like a compact and convenient solution for brush cleaning, you should consider this. What people say. The pad is a great size and cleans brushes very well. It is easy to clean and the suction cups on the back work great. The different textures are perfect for cleaning different types of brushes. Number 2. Blackstone Griddle Cleaning Kit, 6-piece set. This 6-piece kit has everything you need to keep your griddle spotless. It includes scouring pads and a convenient handle. This set is perfect for all your cleaning needs. The handle protects your hands from heat, making it safe to use on hot surfaces. The pads are easy to attach and remove. It makes cleaning simple and safe. This kit isn't just for your griddle, it's great for the kitchen, dishes, and more. It is designed to tackle various cleaning tasks effectively. You'll find many uses for it. The scouring pads are designed to be tough on grime but gentle on surfaces. It won't scratch your pots, pans, or stainless steel. This ensures your items stay in good condition. Made from durable nylon, these pads are built to last. You can use them repeatedly, saving you money and resources. This makes it a cost-effective choice. Please note that there are 2 types of packaging. The packaging will be shipped randomly until the old packaging is sold out. You might receive either one. What we like. This griddle cleaning kit comes with a handle to protect your hands from heat. It's versatile and can be used for various cleaning tasks. If you have a griddle or need a multi-purpose cleaning solution, this is a great option. What people say. The pad is easy to use and clean. It works great for cleaning my makeup brushes. The different textures on the pad help to clean different types of brushes. Number 1. US Pool Supply 2-pack handheld scrub brush. This is a handheld scrubbing scouring sponge pad. It's designed to make cleaning easier and more efficient. You'll love how it tackles tough grime. This brush is perfect for cleaning your pool tile and grout. It also works great on walls, vinyl liners, and spas. It will leave those surfaces sparkling. It's not just for pools. This versatile tool can also be used in the kitchen, bathroom, and shower. It's great for cleaning various surfaces. The sponge pad is designed for effective cleaning. It helps to remove dirt and grime with ease. This will save you time and effort. We stand behind our product with a full 1-year warranty. You can purchase it with confidence, knowing that you're covered. Get yours today. What we like. These handheld pads are perfect for cleaning various surfaces, from pools to kitchens. They're easy to use and come with a 1-year warranty. If you like a simple and effective cleaning tool from multiple areas, you should consider them. What people say. Product is as described. The scrubber is effective. Perfect scrubbers to get tough grime off my vinyl pool. Easy to use, fit my pool pole, held great while using and hasn't damaged my pool surface. These work well for scrubbing the tub. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.